Hello, my beautiful people, to the newcomers, and hey, what's up, bitches, to the people that already been here. This week's video will feature Emerald Obsession from Huda Beauty. This is a all green mini palette, and this eye makeup came out of this, so we will create with this palette, right? I will keep hashtagging and because I keep doing it and it's really annoying. I know. Get it together, Mandy's. Other than that, comment, like, share, subscribe as always. Keep watching. I will keep making videos. If you have any ideas, let me know and I will try my best to recreate. I hope you guys enjoy and stay through the whole video to watch this come to life. Also, if you notice, I did something different with my hair because I don't know how to do my hair at all. It's curly, you scrunch it up, you put some product, and you leave the house after the shower. That's my do. But let's try some new stuff, right? So yeah, let me know what you think. Hopefully I get better at this hair thing too, because believe me, it's been a struggle. Taming this is just, let's not even get started. But anyways, stay tuned, keep watching, and so let's get started, right? We're gonna start with the E40 Taper Blending Brush from Sigma. We're gonna do mint color, okay? This matte mint color. We're just gonna dip it a little bit. It's just gonna be our blending color or transition color, I guess. And it's just gonna go on top, all the way to the top. This color is very light, so it's not gonna be too noticeable, but that's okay. We just wanna get a little bit of it in there, okay? With our E25 Sigma brush, blending brush, we're gonna grab the dark green color and we're gonna apply it to the crease and then just blend it up and all the way down from your inner corner to your outer corner, okay? Just blend, blend, blend. So I got a quick story today, right? You know, I'm a decent cook. I'm a decent baker. Bring it all the way down on your eye. But you wanna know what I cannot do? Now with our 221S MAC brush, we're gonna grab this like emerald green and apply it to the crease, just not all the way out and not all the way in, and then just bring it back and bring it in into a semicircle, okay? You know what I cannot do is I cannot hard boil an egg. Now you may ask yourselves, why is this important? Well, it's really not. It's important to me. But it's important because, for example, yesterday I made a choco flan. What is a choco flan? It's a chocolate cake with a custardish. I don't know, I guess that's the best way to explain it. So you bake a custard. It's a little more solid. Then a chocolate cake, and you bake them together. And you get the cake. And I baked one of those, and it's amazing. With our fender bender and our P. Louis concealer, we're gonna create a semi-lunar area with this side of the brush, okay? But I cannot hard boil an egg. If you were ever curious what was first, the egg or the chicken, you wanna know who wouldn't be able to answer? All the eggs I've ruined. Anyways, just, it doesn't have to be a perfect nothing. Just, you know, pick your area, your starting point a little bit above your crease and then bring it down, okay? I did want to do it kind of in the middle of the eye. And now with the other side of our fender bender brush, we're gonna grab this green glitter-ish eyeshadow. But yeah, so I just wanted to point out that I can make that kind of stuff, but I cannot hard boil an egg, right? Like I just can't. Either I can leave them for minutes, forever, and then they're still running. Like I don't even understand how I mess them up. I don't even understand how I fuck them up. Like this upsets me actually. Because like, for example, for Christmas, I decided to make mac and cheese, homemade mac and cheese. We're gonna buff out the corners with our 225, 221 and, you know, the emerald color. And yes, I'm not gonna lie, the first time things didn't work out in my favor, but I'm one of those people that nothing's gonna win. And then we're gonna add a little bit more of the dark color. So I went to the store, and the third time was the charm, and my mac and cheese was great. Don't judge me, okay? It was my first time. Now with our Benefit eyeliner. So yeah, I mean, yes, I had to try it 3 times. Yes, it delayed my dinner. But I got it. At the end, I got it, and it was good, and my husband liked it, and he better like it. And everything was fine, more importantly. I was happy with the end result. So yeah, but you wanna know, hard-boiled effects just don't happen for me. With like a forest green gel liner, we're gonna do the bottom, okay? So if you noticed on my mac and cheese story, obviously I did it 3 times until I got it. So obviously I'm one of those people that doesn't stop doing something until it's the way I like it. Well, guess what, hard-boiled eggs? You will not win. That is my New Year resolution. I will learn how to hard-boil an egg. A lot of eggs. And I don't care if I have to eat salad for the rest of my life, or if I have to eat hard-boiled eggs every day. I will get you. And now for your waterline, black eyeliner, black gel liner. And yes, I did it backwards, and it was on purpose. And bring it out all the way to your eyeliner. I'm going to do the one thing I hardly ever do, which is close my eyeliner. And now with our 322 Zoeva brush, this is for my eyeliner, okay? We are going to smudge a little bit of the black onto the green. And that's why I'm using this one, because I don't want it too smudged. I don't want it too smoky, okay? And then bring it out a little bit out here. That's just to open up my eye a little bit, since I closed it on the outer line, okay? Now with the other side of our fender bender brush, we're gonna get this light green, lime green, sparkle, and put it on an inner corner. Inner corner. Yes, I use my finger sometimes as well as the brush, because that's just who I am as a person. Don't judge me. Okay, I don't know if there's any anime people here, but the sparkle is from Seven Deadly Sins. Shout out, because I love that show, and the new season comes out this year. What's up, Netflix? So I said I was gonna try the 3Bs of eyelashes, Better, Bolder, Bigger. And I got this Allure eyelashes. This is the Luxe Mink Effect. If I can ever open the box. Got it. So I already cut the ends because they were too long for me. I have really short eyes. Have kind of small eyes, so I had to cut the ends. But other than that, they are already kind of folded. So I kind of like that. We'll see how they look on, okay? Let's try them. And now with the ColourPop BFF mascara, we're just gonna get a little bit in there. And moving on to our face, we're gonna contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, the middle shade. And just blend, okay? For our blush, we're gonna use the Tarte Quirky blush, which is like a little orangey, pinkish blush. This RT brush, it doesn't have a name. And then just blend. For our highlighter, we're gonna use the Balm Cosmetics highlighter. And this is in the Mary Lou Manizer. Mary Lou Manizer. Oh, I got it. It took me a while. So let me tell you something. Putting highlighters on gives me. So now, here I come, hard-boiled eggs. I'm gonna make them with highlighter on so I can feel like a bad bitch. So I'm gonna sing, and it's Nandy, bitch. I ain't trying to fight them. I'm gonna settle down. It's a new year, same me. I mean, new me. So for our lips, we're gonna do the Osis ColourPop lip liner, and Hot Butter Rum Too Faced Matte Lipstick, okay? So let's finish off our look. I'm ready for whatever. So anyways, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm sorry you had to sit through a rant of me and hard-boiled eggs, but it's an important thing to do. Like, it's an important thing to know how to do. What if I want a salad? Just fine. But if you got anything out of it, it's you got this nice ass look and I don't know, clubbing, cooking, baking. I'm not gonna say it again. Trying to make hard-boiled eggs. Anyways, as always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will keep posting. You guys keep watching me. Thank you.